He's on bigger tires.
Alex, you had too much water. Too much now.
Oh, wait, okay. It's okay. Sometimes when you shake it, the water comes out when you open the water bottle.
Look at my blanket here.
Yeah.
It's got one too.
Well, you can go. I'll get you on video. I gotta realign.